In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Asics promo code. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna go to your web browser and search up Asics promo code. And once that is done, you're gonna be redirected to a web page like this. So Asics is a shoes brand and you might be wondering how you can get a discount. So you're gonna go and click on this first website, coupon follow. You're gonna click on it. And you're gonna wait for the web page to load. I'm gonna give it some time. Alright, so once the web page is loaded, you can see that AC coupon code, that's the logo right there. And then you're gonna see many coupon codes here. So here the first one is get a 15% off with this promo code. So you can click on it. And this is the promo code to get a 15% off. So all you have to do is click copy. Then click continue to Asics, which is gonna take you to their website. Once you're on their website, you can pick up your products and choose whatever you want, and then you can use this code at checkout to get a 15% discount. Now there are many other coupon codes here. For example, $10 savings with this code, so you can click on it, and this code can save you up to $10. So it's the same process. Copy, go to the website and use it at checkout. There's another one right here. This one, save up to 10% off, so you can click on that. So this code 2K8 is going to save you 10% off. Well, I'm going to head to some other website and show you a few more codes. I'm going to go back. Okay, let's just go to this website and I'll show you a few more codes. Let's go down. Alright, so there's this one, take $5 off using this coupon code, so you can click on that. And this code road tested is gonna give you a $5 off. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.